Hi, I'm Lee Cole. In case you don't know me, back in 2010, I quit my job and started an offline business, selling internet marketing products and services to local businesses. In 2011, I created yet another business teaching people just like you how to make more money than they ever dreamed possible through offline local business marketing. Over the past 8 years, I've been responsible for some of the most forward-thinking and innovative training and software products available for offliners and local business marketers. And my trainings, coaching, and software have changed the lives of hundreds, if not thousands, of people. Today, I'd like to show you a massive opportunity that's been completely ignored by everyone else but me. If you'll give me just a few minutes of your time and read through this sales letter, I'm going to show you a brand new, untapped offline opportunity that no one else is even talking about. I'll show you my proven 3-step system for milking this opportunity. And if you want to take me up on it, today I'm making you an amazing offer on my new software that will do virtually all the work for you. You need no skills, no website, no training, no other software memberships, no money for ads, none of that stuff. All you need is just 45 minutes a day to follow my simple formula, and you'll build a killer business faster and easier than you ever dreamed possible. Are you ready to change your life? Good. Take 10 minutes right now, read the rest of this sales letter, and learn about this incredible untapped opportunity. Scroll down to find the buy button and take advantage of today's discounted price and get the training and software you need to build the business you deserve. Thank you.